So when we are unaware, we are not able to understand the signs and symptoms and warnings that the nature is sending to us constantly. So now we spoke about the catabolism. Now this is the anabolism. So as we start healing the mind, we get purified. So what happens? We start opening up our heart element, our heart center. It opens up. We are able to receive all the good energies in our body, and we will be coming together. There will be a good bonding. There will be a uniting of the yin and the yang. Yin means the feeling body and yang means the flowing body. Flowing means the energy flows. When the more we feel, the more we flow. So this becomes a pair. And when anything is in a pair, we will have good health. All the cells are in a pair means we have good health. And if the feeling body, if there is suppression because of the negative mindset, then the yang or the dynamic actions also we are not able to take properly, because we will take the dynamic actions but there will be lack of energy flow. We may feel tired, fatigue, and sometimes we are doing the action in the wrong direction because we are not able to discern right wrongs. There is no clarity. We are not able to see the way, and our decisions go for a toss. So our responses also go for a toss. So what happens? Everything becomes impaired. Now, what we have to do to repair it? Re means to again pair it. Re means to again pair it. So now what we have to do is we have to heal the mind, become present, so we can start attuning our heart center. The EQ becomes balanced. So the more the yin is balanced, the more the yang will flow properly, and we will start repairing ourselves, and we again come into health and wholeness. So this will bring us into health and wholeness. But to grow into wellness, we have to constantly do our actions. Constantly we have to do good actions, good karmas as per our dharma. Only then we can grow. Because we need to maintain it. So then we have to constantly do the work in spiritual discipline to constantly maintain that wellness zone. In wellness, there is every moment is new and there's a lot of variety. As they say, variety is the spice of life. So, but first we need to be in that basic is the health, or we can say wholeness, and then completeness. Complete means when the yin and the yang is balanced. So we are in a pair. Now when we have to constantly work on it, then we grow constantly to maintain our lifestyle or the spiritual discipline. So the more we are centered, the more we bond, the more we unite, the more we integrate, the more the energies flow in a proper discipline. And the more we think unwanted thoughts, comparative thoughts, complaining, blaming people, all different types of thoughts. So when you're filled with all that, then automatically our third eye will get blocked, intellect will go for a toss, discernment, there will be no clarity, unable to choose clearly, decide clearly, respond clearly, and all that will lead to blockages of the heart center. because of the suppression. And the more our heart center, the feeling body is suppressed and blocked, the more the energy flow will be blocked. And lack of energy is the main reason for all problems, including diseases, illnesses, all problems, whether it is delays, hardships, struggles, failures, losses, everything, all problems come from the lack of energy. So we have to be aware of how to silence our mind by doing actions in awareness, or doing all conscious deliberate actions and being absorbed in our actions or immersed. So when we are totally immersed, we are present. So again, then we are opened and aligned to the supreme or the universal energies. So as I said, the more integrated we are, the more our heart center will open up and we will receive good values, good virtues, our EQ will be balanced, and this will give us the inner strength. And inner strength is very important. Even outer strength is important, of course, but inner strength is more important. So this will help us to remain connected to the divinity within us, to be creative, to grow, and maintain the spiritual discipline from within. Because we have a free will to choose, but where we are based, our choices will be of that quality. So if we are having fear in the mind, or worry, or stress, or doubt, so this will, if we keep choosing our actions from this space, we will keep creating oxidative stress, causing free radicals. And when we have gone on the other path, the divine also cannot hear us, nor can we reach out to him. And due to this lack of energies, we begin to fall ill or create diseases, difficulties, delays, hardships, losses, failures, problems, etc.